guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to crochet these absolutely adorable baby jellyfish. Let's do it. You will need scissors, yarn, a crochet hook, and maybe some stuffing. I am using a 5.5 millimeter or I hook. To begin, we are going to create a slip knot like this. Then we are going to put 6 single crochets into a magic ring. Now we are going to crochet increases in each stitch. At the end of this row, you should have 12 stitches. Now, I like to use my tail as a stitch marker, but if you have any stitch markers like that, you can use them. Now we are going to single crochet and then increase all the way around. Now that you have finished the row, you should have 18 stitches. Now you are going to single crochet in each 18 stitch for 3 rows. Okay, this is what it should look like after you have finished the 3 rows. Now we are going to single crochet and then decrease to get 12 stitches. We are going to single crochet and decrease in the second stitch. So right here, we're going to single crochet and then we're going to put in a decrease like this. Once you're finished with that row, your creation should look like this. It should have this, looks like a little, I don't know, mushroom. Now you should have 12 stitches around this area, and at this point, if you have safety eyes or eyes that you want to put on, you can put them in between here. Because I don't have any right now, I will sew in my eyes at the end with yarn. Okay, now we will be making the legs. For our jellyfish's legs, we are going to make a slip knot, and then we are going to chain 8 like this. And then we'll end it off like this. Now you have a leg. You're going to make 3 of the legs that are 8 stitches long. And then you will create 3 either in a different or the same color that are 6 chains long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to end it off there. Now we have 3 that are 6 and 3 that are 8. Now we are going to attach our legs to our jellyfish. But before, I forgot to show you guys we're going to end this by pulling our yarn through and tightening. That just ends it off so it doesn't come undone. Now I'm going to actually cut it shorter. There we go. Now to attach these, I'm doing it in a very simple way. You're going to put, sorry, let's put where you guys can see. We're going to put your needle through like this, and then you're going to take one of your jellyfish legs and wrap the yarn around, pull it through, and it's kind of like a knot. You pull this part through, and your jellyfish leg is attached, like that. So we're going to do this to all of our legs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a leg that is 8 in, and then I'm going to put the white one that is 6, and I skip a chain between each one. So as you can see, I put one in here, skip this one, put one in here. Okay, once you are done putting all of your jellyfish's legs into it, it should look like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn it this way, and all of the tails from the legs that you sewed in you're going to stuff it into the body. Like this. Okay, so after I stuff it all in, I can see that my jellyfish is not stuffed enough. So now I will get my stuffing and I will add it to my jellyfish to make it more plump. Okay, so now that it is stuffed, it's gonna look like this. You will have these strings at the end of the tail. I mean legs, sorry guys. So I like to cut them off just like this. Just each one. Careful not to cut. Sorry. Careful not to cut your end string because you don't want that. So now all its legs look like that. Now we're going to take this and we're going to sew it in. I cannot find my tapestry needle right now, so I'm going to just use a smaller hook and weave my end in. You are going to weave it in every stitch or every other stitch. If you put in every stitch, it will be stronger, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So when you have made it around, I think I did, you're going to pull the string, and when you pull it, it should tighten up like this, and it'll close. Now you're gonna take the end string and just sew it in. I like to make a loop like this and pull my string through to make a little knot. And then this end string is very, very long, so I'm going to cut and I'm going to pull it in. Okay guys, now your jellyfish should look like this. You have its body and all of its little legs. Now, because I do not have the safety eyes, I will show you guys how I sew in the eyes and the mouth. So what I do is I get some black yarn. Usually I'll have my tapestry needle, but where I want the eyes, I will put it in like this. Yeah. Put it all the way like this. Now, just gonna loop it around the stitch a bunch of times until I am satisfied with how my eye looks. Okay guys, sorry, I had to fix the eye. Some of the stuffing was coming out. This is what happens when you try to use a needle. So now the eye looks like this and I'm pretty satisfied. So I'm gonna go over 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for our second eye, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to keep looping our black yarn around until we are satisfied with the result. So there's not necessarily a particular amount of times that I will wrap it around, but it will be between 3 and 7 times. I think this one is 5 times. So now I have 2 eyes. I have one eye here, one eye here. Now for our mouth, wherever we're gonna start, we're gonna put it in between here and it's gonna go down to here. So we're going to insert our hook right here, just like this, and we're gonna make the mouth go down to here. Pull it up real quick. So now our mouth looks like this. Now I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to cut our string about here, and I'm just going to tuck it in just like this. And now you have your finished little jellyfish. It's gonna look just like this. And it's really cute. Very simple, takes only about 15 minutes to make. And as you can see here, I have made a green one and another pink one, but it has rainbow legs. So these are very simple to make. And yeah, there they are. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.